18-wheelers own the road. American business is still powered by diesel engines. Here at Ohio Technical College, you'll learn about the entire framework of a diesel engine, from electronic diagnostic, fuel injection, preventative maintenance, engine inspection, along with HVAC, transport, refrigeration. Diesel engines are responsible for delivering some of the most important goods to your home. And here at Ohio Technical College, we'll show you everything you need to know to keep those engines running right and those trucks on the road. We're right outside the Max J. Eggert Generator Power Lab, where high voltage careers blast off the ground. Come on, let's go check it out. Our industry-renowned Generator Power Systems program here at Ohio Technical College provides a first-class ticket for any student seeking the highest level of diesel education. Graduates of our Generator Power Systems program have locked in careers with big-time companies such as Caterpillar, Cummins, Detroit Diesel, and Kohler. Our Generator Power Systems program will teach you all of the electrical components, from energy, currents, on down to electrical magnetism, engine and generator metering, along with a deep dive into control panels. Students in this course will learn the operating program principles of such auto transfer brands as ASCO, Generac, and Westinghouse. And this is just scratching the surface in this electrifying program.